Over the last few weeks on Onboard Lifestyle, my dad saw a doctor, we left La Paz, went to Lobos, then Muertos, crossed the Sea of Cortez, explored Isla Isabel, then sailed to Banderas Bay. We will continue our story as Basik approaches Paradise Village in Nuevo Vallarta.
Never could have been thinking I would know what the future bring. All the highs and lows, said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me, all the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me.
It has been 2 months, 5 days, and 1,017 nautical miles since Basik left Puerto Penasco in the upper Sea of Cortez. During that time, we had only spent 3 nights on a dock in Santa Rosalia, so it felt nice to pull out the fenders and dock lines. Our plan is to stay in Paradise for a few days of fun before heading to Cruz to get some work done. This is the time of year that Banderas Bay fills up with cruisers that use this for their staging area to either head south towards Panama, cross to the South Pacific, or head back up into the sea for another season. Regardless of everyone's destination, the entire fleet is in a festive mood, so our itinerary for this stop is going to be full. In between dinner parties, we packed our days with stowing the sails, washing the boat, dentist appointments, birthday parties,
Happy birthday to you!
a couple much needed projects.
The ladies are taking up my slack, literally. They're replacing a broken rope clutch on our topping lift. So now that they replaced the clutch, they gotta lift the boom back into place and put some pressure on this thing. Actually, I'll try to do that with my left hand. You guys lift it up for me.
Okay.
I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay, ready?
Okay, right down a little bit. Right about there. Now hold that tight.
Okay.
I'll get it. I'm coming over here. Okay, now relax it. Let's see where it sits. It's got to go down a little bit. Pick it up a little. Got a good grip? Let it down. Right. Okay, now pick it up again.
That looks a little
No. I had to release it. Now go up. Okay, let go. A little bit higher, just a touch higher. Okay, right about there. Let's check that. Yeah, that's about where.
It needs to be a little higher.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Hang on.
A bit higher.
Yep, a touch higher. About 1 more inch up. Okay, ready? Okay, let it go. Let's see.
I think it still needs to be a
No, because I'll crank it down with this. It'll bring it down. It's perfect. That's perfect. Thanks.
Now hurry up and heal up.
Shopping for supplies,
So we are leaving PV in 2 days, and one of the big musts is we had to go get some more dog food for Compass. Unfortunately, he just does not do well with the food down here, so any chance we can find his brand, we're gonna go grab it. Oh, the things you do for the love of your animal.
Yep.
But we got to do a little shopping. Emma hasn't seen real department stores or anything really in a long time.
Yeah, it's been a bit.
So
We got some stuff.
we got some stuff. Now I'm gonna call an Uber and we'll head back to the boat.
Game night with friends. Pool time. Movie night. And of course, more dinner parties.
Departure day. We are heading out of Paradise Village. It was a great week, but it is time to go. This was a stop that we wanted to do just so that we can say goodbye to so many wonderful friends that we have met in the past year and a half, but it is now that time when we're at a crossroads where they're heading elsewhere. Yeah, they're heading to the South Pacific and we are heading towards Panama. But this is one of Emma's, I guess it's a bittersweet kind of visit. But luckily we have technology.
Yeah, Starlink is connecting us, but this was a really great stop to just reconnect with my friends for like the last time.
Yeah, they have been squeezing in every minute of funness to the point where I think that we woke up at 1 o'clock this morning. We went to bed. See, that's how tired I am because we went to bed at 1:30 this morning, and just a couple hours of shut eye, and now we gotta get out of here. Okay guys, it feels different now, huh?
It does. It's kind of sad. I got a little lump in my throat.
Oh.
Everybody's kind of going different parts of the world for a while. Well, I'm sure we'll cross paths, but...
Emma.
Okay, I need to pay attention here.
Okay.
We have a narrow passage here.
I'll go up there and look ahead.
So it's last time here at Paradise Village. It was a great time. And we'll miss this place.
Yeah, I miss the people.
Yeah.
It's just a short 6.1 nautical mile hop from Paradise Village, cutting across the northeast corner of Banderas Bay to Marina Riviera Nayarit in La Cruz. We left early in the morning before the afternoon winds picked up and had a wonderful show of humpback whales for most of the hour and 10-minute journey. It has now been 7 weeks since the captain tore his lateral epicondyle in his right elbow, and it's time to start the next phase of his treatment. The orthopedic doctor in La Paz instructed him to stop wearing the arm sling and start moving his arm without straining it. That means light duty for the next 4 to 6 months in order for the tendon to heal properly. Our stop in La Cruz is a working stop. That means that not much will change with the captain, and the girls will still have to take on the bulk of the workload.
We haven't even been here in La Cruz for not even 12 hours and we're already off.
12 hours?
Not
it's been
even.
6, yeah.
Yeah, and already we're off to a little bit of fun in town. Emma is going to head out and meet up with all the cruising kids and they're going to have a movie night.
You'll have fun.
And then Teal and I are going to go hunt down some tacos.
What's the secret with the sauce?
I think my mother knows she made it.
Okay.
Starving.
You're always starving.
No, I really am.
Well, the taco scene in this town is amazing.
Amazing, yeah.
So, we're meeting up with a couple other cruisers, and we'll try to eat as many tacos as we can.
Yeah.
And then we'll meet Emma back at the boat in a couple hours. Oh, it feels good, doesn't it?
Yep. Yeah, it's actually starting to cool off.
It does. Feels real nice.
Yeah,
it was hot today.
Yeah, hot and muggy.
Yeah, we've been complaining about the wind and the cold. Now we're starting to complain about the hot.
No, we're not complaining. We're just trying to muddle through and deal with it and
Yeah.
get acclimated.
Acclimation, that's the key. We're going to get there.
But today's our last kind of fun day because we really gotta hit it hard and get some projects done.
Yes.
And
we can't just lounge around in these marinas every day.
no, I'm actually anxious to get out of here, but we're waiting for some parts and it's been delayed and delayed and delayed. So hopefully it comes this week and then we can get the heck out of here.
Yeah, well, luckily timing's good because the weather has been a little sporty out there. So I think it's going to work out. We stay, maybe a couple days here, wait for the package, and then keep pushing south. While we're in Cruz, our big project is working on the main. The main has been scrubbing a little bit on the runners, and so we want to get the main repaired before we get a big tear in it. But while that's out, we're gonna replace our tides track. Along with the tides track, we have our stack pack here that's got a little bit of a bow to it. We're gonna replace the battens in there and just kind of tune all this up before we head south. Just a great place to do it in the mornings. It's nice and calm, and I'm still on light duty, so the ladies are doing all the heavy lifting. It's always fun to watch. Okay, you wanted a workout, right?
Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, good thing we have this.
Hey, you're almost there. That's fine. Go ahead and use this
thing. I'm so glad we
Okay, Emma, can you center the boom while she's doing that?
Yeah. That's a workout.
Okay, here, hand me those. Okay, now we're gonna start dropping the sail. I'll drop the sail, and you guys flake. Got it?
Yep.
You girls.
I can't reach.
You guys are doing good.
No, I can't reach to stick it out. Yep. It's so tight. Okay. This is not working. Okay, good, no idea. Okay. Convenient having these bags.
Oh, God, you guys scare me.
Hey, we can still do it. Don't worry about it. Okay, I'm ready. On that side, lift up. Okay. Here's the cake.
Okay, this little bit sticking out, can you re-roll that?
Nope. Okay, there's nothing all the way down. Okay. Alright. As far as it goes. Okay. We forgot a key. Man, this is a long dock. There you go. That's our sail. Looking good. Okay, so the mainsail is down and wrapped up and ready for the guys that are going to be helping us do a little bit of repair. Teal's waiting for them right now. In the meantime, I am heading over to the port captain's office in order to get checked into La Cruz. This is, I was hoping that this would be a fun stop anyways, to do some sightseeing and kind of have a little fun. But this is definitely going to be a working stop because we have a ton of stuff to do. We have to do a little bit of rigging work, some canvas work, and I don't know, all the other little miscellaneous that we kind of put off. So should be fun.
Thanks for watching another crazy good episode of Onboard Lifestyle. A huge thanks goes out to our amazing patrons whose support drives the production of these videos. Join our crew if you can. With paradise behind us, the crew looks forward to La Cruz. Basik needs a lot of attention before we leave Banderas Bay, so come back next week to see how much the ladies can get done. See you then!